This was once a legend. A 1969 Ford Mustang, a true icon of American muscle. But look at her now. Left behind, forgotten, rusted by the relentless march of time. Most people would see scrap metal, a lost cause destined for the junkyard. But we saw something else. We saw potential. We saw the ghost of what it once was and the promise of what it could become. Because legends don't die, they just wait to be reborn. So, what's the plan? This Mustang was never meant to sit in silence. It wasn't built to be a garage queen or a museum piece polished under bright lights. No, this car was born for speed. It was born for noise. It was born to rule the street. Our goal was simple, but ambitious. We're not just restoring it. We're reimagining it. We're building a street racing machine. It's got to be street legal, but just barely. It needs to look aggressive, sound aggressive, and drive with an attitude that is absolutely unforgiving. This isn't just about bringing it back to life. It's about giving it a whole new level of ferocity. And so the teardown begins. This is the part where you truly understand what you've gotten yourself into. Every single bolt we touched told a story. Decades of neglect, broken dreams. We found corrosion where raw power once lived. It was a painful process, like an autopsy on a fallen hero. The engine was completely seized, a dead heart of iron. The interior was collapsing, a tattered mess of vinyl and broken plastic. And the body, well, the rust was so bad in places, it was barely holding itself together. It's the kind of sight that would make most people walk away. But we didn't quit. Because if you're going to rebuild a legend, you have to start by respecting its scars. Now for the most important part of any build, the heart. This is where the soul comes back into the machine. We're not just rebuilding the old engine. We're starting fresh. A new heart with a lot more power, a ton more torque, and a whole new level of rage. We spent weeks, months even, picking every single component. The block, the crank, the pistons, the cam, everything was chosen with one single purpose in mind: to dominate the street. Every part has a job, and that job is to create untamed power. And then came the moment of truth. We hooked everything up, turned the key, and after a few tense seconds, the silence ended. That first roar, that first violent cough into life, it was more than just an engine starting. It was the beast waking up. But all that power is completely useless if you can't put it to the ground. Power is nothing without control. So we stripped the entire chassis down to bare metal. We rebuilt the suspension from the ground up, replacing worn-out parts with modern, high-performance components. The brakes were next. The old drum brakes were tossed for massive ventilated disc brakes that can handle the insane speeds this car will be hitting. We reinforced the chassis, adding strength to handle the new engine's torque and the G-forces of hard cornering. This Mustang was no longer just going to be fast in a straight line. It was going to be precise, stable. It would be an extension of the driver's will. It would be dangerous, but only in the right hands. Let's talk about the office, the cockpit. Inside, everything had to have a purpose. Everything had to mean something. We ripped out all the old, rotted interior. There's no luxury here. No fancy sound system, no cup holders, no distractions. This was a workspace. It's just the driver, the machine, and the road ahead. We installed a pair of modern racing seats to hold you in place, a new set of gauges to give you critical information at a glance, and a custom roll cage for safety and rigidity. This is the command center. This is where decisions are made at 100 miles per hour, where every input has an immediate and visceral reaction. It's a raw, focused, and purposeful environment built for one thing only: driving. And then, after all the mechanical work, the grinding, the welding, came the transformation, the rebirth. We stripped the body down to the absolute bare metal, erasing decades of decay. Every dent was smoothed, every rust patch was cut out and replaced with fresh steel. Then came the primer, the block sanding, and finally, the paint. A deep, menacing color that hints at the power lurking beneath. The car was reassembled piece by piece. The chrome trim, the new glass, the aggressive wheels and tires. It now has a stance that doesn't just ask for respect, it demands it. This wasn't just a restoration, this was a resurrection. A classic 1969 Mustang, reborn for the modern street, looking more aggressive than it ever did back in its glory days. The moment we'd all been waiting for. Everything was connected. The fluids were topped off. The battery was in. The key was in the ignition. We turned it. 1 second, 2 seconds. The fuel pump whirred. The starter engaged. And then life. It roared. It crackled. It spat. The sound echoed through the workshop like thunder. It was loud. It was angry. It was perfect. This wasn't just noise. This was a statement. This was a warning to anyone who thought this old Mustang was just a relic of the past. It was alive, and it was ready to unleash hell. With the engine rumbling and the car finally complete, there was only one thing left to do. Drive it. This is the payoff. This is what all those late nights, busted knuckles, and empty bank accounts were for. Sliding into the driver's seat, the world outside disappears. It's just you and the machine. The first time you drop the clutch and feel that raw power slam you back into the seat, it's an indescribable feeling. Every shift of the gear lever, every explosive pull from the engine, every vibration coming up through the steering wheel. It's a sensory overload. The past met the present on that first drive. Classic muscle. Modern aggression. This is pure, uncut American street performance. So there you have it, from rust to rage. From a forgotten relic to a feared street machine. This is so much more than just a car. It's a piece of history brought back with a vengeance. This is a 1969 Ford Mustang, back on the streets right where it belongs. Thanks for coming along on this incredible journey with us. If you loved watching this legend come back to life, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what we build next. We'll see you on the street.